Welcome everybody in my new class. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. In the first two classes, I discussed on completing sentences. As it is a very large chapter, so it takes another class to complete it. Today is the third part of completing sentence. So before starting our work, we should know what is completing sentence. Generally, completing sentence means to complete the subordinate clause according to the principal clause or to complete the principal clause according to the subordinate clause of a complex sentence. In this case, the structures or formations of clause, complex sentence, and conditional sentence are followed. The knowledge of following grammatical items are necessary to complete the incomplete sentences. The items are clause, phrase, infinitive, present participle form of verb, past participle form of verb, etc. Actually, you have clear ideas about clause, phrase, infinitive, and conjugation of verbs to make an incomplete sentence complete. In the last two classes, I discussed the rules from 1 to 28. Today, I start from 29. You have so much intelligence. In order to complete an incomplete sentence that is used after it, or where there is so, that is used after it, so then the structure will be that plus subject plus verb plus extension. So the answer will be you have so much intelligence that you can get a job. B, I have not so much time dash. The correct answer will be I have not so much time that I can accompany you all day. Dear students, now rule 30. You can go to sleep when if the principal clause is in present or future tense and there is when or after the subordinate clause will be present perfect tense. You can go to sleep when you have taken your dinner. Here, you have taken dinner is in present perfect tense. So we can say after when present perfect tense is used. Number B, you will return me the book after dash. Answer, you will return me the book after you have finished reading it. Now rule 31. A, I will come tomorrow in case dash. Here in case means if. Subordinate clause with in case indicates the cause of principal clause. So to complete an incomplete sentence related to principal clause, a meaningful subordinate clause is used. So you can complete it after using the following clause. I will come tomorrow in case you want me. Number B, I want to stay home in case dash. Answer, I want to stay home in case he comes. Here two meaningful clauses are used to complete them. One is you want me, the second one is he comes. Now rule 32. A, I wish dash. Here I wish indicates impossible wish or will. If there is would that or I wish, etc. in an incomplete sentence, then in this case, the verb will be past tense. The next clause will be past tense. Answer: I wish I were king. Here, wish is present tense, but I were king is in past tense. B. Would that he dash. Would that he were alive today. After would that, past tense is used. Here, where is past tense. Rule 33. If there are feel, surprise, imagine, repeat, discover, know, judge, assume, etc. in an incomplete sentence, to be is used to complete it. So the answer will be, I know him to be honest. B. We failed the decision to be dash. We failed the decision to be wise. Now, rule 34. A. Khan Jahan Ali was regarded as dash. In order to express likeliness, as is used after the following verbs: regard, treat, acknowledge, condemn, etc. Adjective or adjective phrase is used after as. So the answer will be, Khan Jahan Ali was regarded as pious. Here, pious is an adjective. B. He treats me as dash. He treats me as innocent. Here, innocent is adjective. It is used after as. Now, rule 35. A. Would you mind dash? If there is would you mind in an incomplete sentence, verb plus ing is used after it, and a meaningful object must be used. So the answer will be, would you mind taking a cup of tea? Here, taking is present participle, and a cup of tea is related to the past clause. B. Would you mind dash? Would you mind opening the door? Here, opening is present participle. Present participle is found verb plus ing. Now, rule 36. A. If he came. If the subordinate clause is in past tense and there is if at the beginning, past conditional is used to make it complete. In this case, the structure will be if plus past conditional. Past conditional means subject plus would, could, might plus extension. So the answer will be, if he came, I would go. Here, came is past tense. It is used after if, and then past conditional means subject plus would plus verb is used. B. If they wanted dash. If they wanted, I would help them. Here, the first clause is present tense. The next clause is in past conditional. Here, subject is I plus would plus pencil verb, then extension. Now rule 37. If I had seen him. Here, after if the clause is in past perfect tense. So if there is if and past plus past perfect tense, after that perfect condition is used. In case of the structure of perfect condition is subject plus would have, could have, or might have plus past participle of verb. So the answer will be if he had seen him, if I had seen him, I might have told him the news. Here I plus might plus have plus told past participle verb. B. If they had started earlier, dash. If they had started earlier, they could have got the train. Here if plus past perfect tense plus perfect conditional is used to make an incomplete sentence complete. Now rule 38. If I were a king, if there is following structure in incomplete sentence, I mean if plus subject plus where, then principal clause will be subject plus might or could or would plus verb. So the answer will be if I were king, I could help the poor. Number B, if I were you, dash. If I were you, I would not do this. Rule 39. The sun rose after dash. If there is past tense before after, past perfect tense will be used next. Here the sun rose is in past tense, so after that past perfect tense will be used. So the answer will be the sun rose after we had reached the station. Here we had reached is in past perfect tense. B. The bell rang after dash. The bell rang after I had reached school. Now rule 40. A. The patient had died before dash. In case past perfect tense is used before and after before past indefinite tense will be used. Here the patient had died is in past tense, so after before past tense will be used. So the answer will be the patient died before the doctor came. Here the doctor subject came verb, so it is in past tense. B. The brain had started before dash. Here the brain is started past perfect tense. So after before the clause will be past tense. The answer will be the rain had started before I reached home. Now rule 41. Dash is true. Sometimes noun clause is used to make an incomplete sentence complete. Here, a noun clause must be used to make it complete. So the answer will be what he said is true. B. I know dash. I know when he will come. Here, when he will come is a noun, is an object. So it is a noun clause. And what he said is subject. So it is also noun clause. So we can say that noun or noun equivalent is used subject as a subject or as an object. Rule 42. He starts for college when dash. If the subordinate clause is in present perfect tense, the principal clause will be present indefinite tense or future indefinite tense. And in this case, when or after is used as a conjunction. So here when is conjunction and before when he starts for school is present tense. So after it present perfect tense will be used. So the answer will be he starts for college when he has eaten breakfast. Number B, they will play after dash. Here before after they will play is in present future indefinite tense. So after it present perfect tense will be used. So the answer will be they will play after the rain has stopped. Dear students, now individual work. Please take your pen and paper and get ready. Complete the following sentences. 1. We supposed him to be dash. 2. He carried an umbrella in case dash. 3. Rakib will swim after dash. 4. They plucked so much flowers dash. 5. I wish dash. Do them yourself and after that match your answer with me. Okay. The answer of the first one will be, we supposed him to be a gentleman. You may use another related phrase to make it complete. 2. He carried an umbrella in case it rained. 3. Rakib will swim after he has returned home. 4. They plucked so much flowers that the garden became empty. 5. I wish I were a bird. Now homework. Write down the following sentences as homework. Number 1. We assumed him to be dash. If he had wanted dash. 3. The teacher entered into the class after dash. 4. I had taken breakfast before dash. 5. Would you mind dash? Okay, that's all for today. We'll meet next Saturday. Do them at home. Thank you so much to join with me. Allah Hafiz.